Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation by Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. So today we will talk about on Habenaria species in India. So basically we know that mostly Habenaria genus it is terrestrial tuberous herbs and rarely epiphytic. So such as example as Habenaria crenifera. So Habenaria crenifera is an epiphytic orchid and others apart from Habenaria crenifera, others are all terrestrial species and it is mostly the Habenaria is tuberoid subgloss or ellipsoid. So it is there some of the character and here you can identify it, and leaves are herbaceous and the flat laying flat on the ground sometimes, and the flower is sometimes white, yellow or green. So these are some of the color variation you will see. Then sepals are subequally free. The dorsals are convenient with the petals to form a hood, or sometimes of elytral spreading will be there. Then the reflexed or deflexed or sometimes erect. So these are some of the character. Then comes to the lip part. The lip may be sometimes adnate to the base of column, entire base with a spur or a sac or spurless. So these are some of the characteristics of Habenaria species where you can identify this. Then move to our next species or next Habenaria we will talk on. Then we will talk about on Habenaria equifera. So Habenaria equifera is a terrestrial orchid and you can clearly see that at the ground it must contain soil. Soil will be moist like, so it will grow, and the flowering period is from July to August and the elevation is 200 to 2000 meter. So in India you will basically find it in Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. So these are some specific reasons where you will find this Habenaria acusifera. Then move to our next Habenaria species. Then Habenaria comedenifolia. So Habenaria comedenifolia is a terrestrial orchid and you will only found in the rice field areas. So these are very much you can see the flowering period is sometimes August to October, or sometimes it vary in the flowering period. And in India it is found in varied places such as Manipur, Sikkim, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Odisha, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Bihar, Jharkhand, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, and many more are there. So these are commonly found in India. Then comes to our Habenaria etchisoni. So Habenaria etchisoni is an epiphytic, terrestrial orchid, and you can see in many Habenaria species, sometimes like Habenaria gibsoni or firiformis, and many are the reniformis also. So many Habenaria species are there which color is green. So you will never get confused by the color variation, but only see the spur or the sepals and the hooded at the column part and the lip portion. So these are some main characteristics that you can differentiate from other Habenaria species. So Habenaria echoni, the flowering period is from July to August and the elevation is 2000 to 4000 meter. Uh, so in India, it is basically found in Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So these are some specific reasons at this elevation you will find this Habenaria etchisoni. Then move to our next Habenaria species. So now we will talk about on Habenaria reniformis. As I have told earlier that in Habenaria the green color is common and you can only identify by their spur or their flower variation. So here you can see it is very much different from our previous Habenaria species. So Habenaria reniformis is the flowering period is from August to September elevation is 400 to 1200 meter, and in India you will basically find in Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand and Odisha. So these are some specific regions where you will find it. Uh, then move to our next Habenaria species. Then comes to our Habenaria aritiana. So here you can clearly see it is very much different from other Habenaria species because of the spur are divided and how spur are has a fimbriated like structure. Then the flowering period is from July to September, and the elevation is 1800 to 2800 meter. And in India, you will basically find this in Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. So, in this specific region, you will find Habenaria erichiana. Then comes to our next. Then comes to our Habenaria barbata. So Habenaria barbata is a terrestrial orchid, and you can see at the middle portion there is a it is identified as Habenaria barbata by some of the researchers. They have found in some particular places. So these are their research. These are their work that is carried out, and here you can see it is very much different from other Habenaria species because the spur is divided and the hooded is also sometimes trifoliate it is there, and you can see here the flowering period is from October to December and the elevation is up to 1000 meter. The flowering, it is mainly found in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. So this, the middle portion, the picture that you are seeing, that I have taken from some research papers that they have have a morphology differentiation and have a distribution in Tamil Nadu. Then comes to our Habenaria barnesi. So here you can see it is also very much different from every Habenaria species because it looks just like a staircase because it it is closely the inflorescence is closely related to one another, and the flowering period is from August to September, and the elevation is 1000 to 200 to 1600 meter. And in India, you will find only in two places till now, that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Till now, it is reported from these two places, and for this, we have to work on this and know about their habitat in some other places. Is it available or not? Then comes to our Habenaria brachyphylla. So Habenaria brachyphylla, as you can see, the flower structure is a very small in size, and the flowering period is from August to September, and the elevation is up to 2500 meter. So these are the characteristics of it. And in India, you will find in some particular places such as Odisha, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Then move to our next. Then comes to our Habenaria cephalotes. So cephalotes is a terrestrial orchid, and the flowering period is from July to September, and the elevation is 500 to 1000 meter. So in India, you will basically found in some specific places such as Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, where you can find this Habenaria species. Then comes to our Habenaria clavigera. So in this picture you can definitely get to know about where you can find this particular orchid species because of their habitat and habit that you can see from here. Means it is basically be seen at the grasslands areas. Then the flowering period is from July to August, and the elevation is 2000 to 4600 meter. and in India it is found in Sikkim, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Then comes to our Habenaria plantaginea. So Habenaria plantaginea is a terrestrial orchid, and you can see it just look like you can say feathery, not some butterflies, as you can see. It is very much resembles to butterflies like, and it is common name also sometimes it is called as butterfly orchid. Then the flowering period is from August to September, and the elevation is up to 2000 meter. And in India you will basically found in some particular places, you can say it is widely distributed in many parts of India such as Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra and many more are there. So these are some specific or you can say it has a very good population in India. So these are some of the Habenaria species that are available in India, and I have only taken some few Habenaria species. There are many more Habenaria species are there with varied color variation, varied the floral structure is there. So it is very much difficult to identify such species, but if we have to look through it thoroughly, then we can identify it because one single spur or you can say the hooded portion is also makes it different from any other Habenaria species. So thank you for watching. Hope you will like this video and click subscribing to our channel. Thank you.